So in this example, we want to find the inverse of the function f of x equals 3x minus 7. And you can see the steps written out here on the left-hand side. So the first step, after we write out the problem, of course, the first step is to replace f of x with y. So it's going to be y is equal to 3x minus 7. The second step is to swap x and y. Now, these steps may not seem to make a whole lot of sense, and we're just going to learn them off. It's not ideal, but this is how we're going to deal with this. So we're going to use x is equal to 3y minus 7. Third step is to get y on its own. So if we want the y on its own, we see that this minus 7 is in the wrong place, so bring that across. Becomes x plus 7 is equal to 3y, and the y still isn't on its own, so we're going to have to divide by the 3 to get y on its own. And if we divide by the 3, we get x plus 7 divided by 3 is equal to y. And finally, the fourth step is to replace y with f inverse of x. So x plus 7 over 3 equals f inverse x. Okay, and that's our answer. Okay, normally we would have the f inverse on the left hand side, but that doesn't make any difference at all. F inverse of x is equal to x plus 7 divided by 3. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward, but you do have to remember the steps, because as I said, it's quite difficult to explain why this method works or the logic behind it, but it is a simple 4-step method that always works very quickly. Thank you.